Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. So without wasting time, just move towards the MCQs. General knowledge part, MCQ number 1. Which is the largest landlocked country in the world? The right option is A. Kazakhstan. Which Europe country is divided into departments? The right option is C. France. Where would you find the river Thames? The right option is A. London. 4. Which country is also known as Netherlands? The right option is B. Holland. In which country are the tallest mountain located? B. Turkey. The wire inside an electric bulb is known as filament. With the fall of Ottoman Empire, which of the following countries moved towards embracing secular nationalism? The right option is C. Turkey. Psychology is an especially useful disciplinary approach when trying to. The right option is B. Make sense of modes of the religious experience. The sun dance. The right option is B and C. B is widely practiced in many Native American religious culture. C is a midsummer's Native American ritual that spans nearly 2 weeks. Who is known as father of electricity? That is Michael Faraday. Who is the author of famous novel Pride and Prejudice? That is Jane Austen. What is the capital city of Spain? That is Madrid. Which is the hottest continent on earth? Africa. What is capital city of Argentina? The right option is D. Buenos Aires. 15. Which kind of bulbs were once exchanged as form of currency? The right option is A. Tulip. 16. Which layer of planet Earth is made up of tectonic plates? The right option is B. Outer core. How many layers are there in an ice hockey team? That is 6. During which year did World War I begin? It was 1914. Convection, frontal and relief are 3 main types of rainfall. Okay, the last one is what kind of weapon is a falchion? The right option is C. Sword. Now Islamic studies portion. 21. In the year of sorrow, which 2 of the Prophet's beloved passed away? The right option is B. Hazrat Khatija and Hazrat Abu Talib. Which is the first battle of Islam? Battle of Badr. Istilam means kissing Hajar Aswad. In which year the Qibla was changed from Jerusalem to Kaaba, Makkah? It was 2 AH. At what age is Salah made compulsory for a Muslim child? 7 years. What was the seal of the Prophet peace be upon him made of? Silver. It was made up of silver. Sayyid al-Ayam is the title for which day? Friday. For how many years did the Ashab-e-Khaf sleep? The right option is C. 309 years. Where did the Prophet PBUH and Abu Bakr first stay when they left Makkah for migration? That is B. Jabal-e-Tahwar. Who was the first host of Holy Prophet PBUH, peace be upon him, in Medina? Option D. Abu Ayyub al-Ansari. How many types of wahi are there? 2, 3, 4, none of the above. That is 2. How many surahs start with the word Kul? Right option is 5. Who was self-proclaimed prophet against whom the battle of Yamama was fought? That is A. Musailima. Which companion was regarded by Prophet ﷺ as the modest person? Hazrat Usman Ghani Rasulullah Ta'ala Anha. Women may be married for 4 reasons: for their wealth, for their status, beauty, but the best reason to marry is C. Religion. Which companion narrated the greatest number of ahadith? Right option is D. Abu Hurairah Rasulullah Ta'ala Anha. Quran was collected in the form of a book by a committee of people which was head by whom? Zayd ibn Thabit Razila Ta'ala anha. Who gave Abu Bakr the idea to collect the Quran in the form of a book? Hazrat Umar Razila Ta'ala anha. Who gave the idea of digging a trench around Medina in the Battle of Trench? The right option is C. Salman al-Farsi. The companion who lost both arms while fighting in the battle, Mu'tah, and was given wings instead in paradise is... Right option is C. Jafar ibn Abi Talib Razila Ta'ala anha. Complete the sentence by choosing the most appropriate word from the given letter choice A to B below each. Mr. Salim went dash to oblique his behavior. The right option is B. Out of his way. There are as yet no vegetation types or ecosystems whose studies has been perfected to the extent that they no longer dash ecologists. The right option is A. Interest. The father was very angry and cast off his son. With the less rapid expansion of the economy, we should make dash progress towards stable price levels. The right option is A. Detailed. The clouds of suspicion would clear up soon. The teacher said that they were no longer prepared to dash the way of the new headmaster. Put up with C option. Dash the construction of new housing units at the rate of 1 every month, there is still a shortage of accommodation. The right option is B. Despite. Select the similar meaning. Appreciate. The right option is C. Accelerate. 49. Metaphor. Option A. Assemble. Accomplish. The right option is B. Achieve. 51. Experience. The right option is D. Expertise. Premature. The right option is untimely. Confidence. The right option is panic. The right option is anxiety. Weird means bizarre. We have to select the opposite meanings out of it, these options. So the one is galvanize. Right option is vary. Next is contingent. The right option is subject. The next one is continual. The right option is C. Steady. Now precede. It means to follow. The opposite is follow. Momentary. The right option is C. Persistent. 60. Disparity. The right option is identity. Now mathematics. Speed of car is 600 km/h. Distance covered in 1 hour 15 minutes will be. The right option is 75. If one side of square is 35 m, then area of square is 1225 meters square. How many surfaces are there in a cube? The right option is 6. If Sami's age is 27 in 2029, then his age in 2009 was 17 years. What is 7% equal to? Right option is C. 0.07. अब आपके पास आ गया उर्दू का हिस्सा, तो इसमें हमने देखना है मुतरादिफ अल्फाज. ठीक है. 66 में आपके पास है आप का जो मुतरादिफ है वो है पानी. 67 पे आपके पास है इस्तकामत का जो मुतजाद है वो है मजबूती. मुतरादिफ जो है वो मजबूती है. ठीक है. अच्छा जी, इसके बाद आपके पास आ जाता है आशियाना का मुतरादिफ है घोंसला. उसके बाद आपके पास है जब, जिसका मतलब है तकवा. लागर कमज़ोर. अब आपने बताने अल्फाज मुतजाद. ठीक है. तो इसमें आपके पास जफ़ा का है वफ़ा, रुस्वा का है महकूम, हाकिम का है महकूम, और यह आगे आपके पास ऐसे टॉपिक्स जिसमें आपके पास स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड टेस्ट आर अ गुड वे टू एवेलुएट समवन्स इंटेलिजेंस. ऐसे का जो दूसरा टॉपिक है वो है कांस्टेंट सोशल मीडिया कनेक्शन मेक्स पीपल फील स्ट्रेस्ड एंड लोनली। नंबर थर्ड इज ई बुक्स आर बेटर देन पेपर बुक। पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट है जी आपके पास, शुड स्टूडेंट वर्क पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स while they are still at college? So this is the end of the video. Hope you like this, and if you like our video, kindly subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. Allah Hafiz.